Namaste class. In this video, we will solve a question. Class question says it is universal. You know what is universal? This is A set and this is B set and you have to verify De Morgan's law. Class, what De Morgan's law? De Morgan's law says if you have A union B whole dash and if you separate the dash A dash and B dash, then this sign is reverse. It is the first De Morgan's, and if you have this, you separate A and B dash, then this sign is reverse. These are two De Morgan's law. In this question, you have to verify this De Morgan's law. Okay, class. Now take how to solve this question. So, class, very easy question is this. You first solve LHS. So what is your LHS? LHS is A union B whole dash. So class, first you solve A union B. After that we will solve dash. So first I am solving A union B. Here A union B. Class, it is your A 2, 4, 6, 8 and it is your B 2, 3, 5 and 7. Class, if you take union, then you get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. It is the union. All elements A and B 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is the union of A and B. Now class, we are taking whole dash. Dash means you subtract this set from the universal. So universal, you just subtract A union B. So what is universal? Universal is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and it is your A union B. It is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Class, if you subtract, then 2 and 2 cancel out, 3, 3 all cancel out. So how many letters elements left in here? First 1 is left and here 9 is left. Okay class, 2 and 2 cancel out, 3, 3 cancel out, 4, 4, 5, 5, 8 and 8 cancel out. Here 1 and 9 elements are remaining in this set. Class, it is your first equation. It is your LHS, which is A union B whole dash. Now class, we will solve right hand side A dash intersection B dash. Okay class. Now class, we will solve right hand side. Class, it is A dash intersection B dash. So first we solve A dash. What is the meaning of A dash? Complement of A. How you calculate? If you subtract A set from universal, you get A dash. So A dash is universal minus A. Universal is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and A is 2, 4, 6, 8. Class, if you subtract A, you get 1, 2 and 2 cancel out, 3 is left, 4, 4 cancel out, 5 is left, 6, 6 cancel out, 7 is and 9. This is your A dash. Now class, you calculate B dash. B dash means universal minus B. So universal minus B, universal is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or minus B. B is 2, 3, 5, 7. Class, you subtract B from universal, then what you get? Class, 2, 2 cancel out, 1 is left, 3, 3 cancel out, 4 is left, 5, 5 cancel out, 6 is left, 7, 7 cancel out, 8 and 9 are left. So class, it is your A dash and it is your B dash. But we require A dash intersection B dash. So A dash intersection B dash. A dash is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Intersection B dash, which is 1, 4, 6, 8 and 9. Class, it is intersection. Now you take the intersection in both. So 1 and 9. 1, it is the second equation, it is the RHS. Class, recall first equation. First equation is 1 9 and second equation is also 1 9. From equation first and second, we say left side is equal to right side. We say LHS is equal to RHS because these are the same from first and second equation. So first equation says A union B. So from first and second we say LHS is equal to right hand side. Now class, LHS, it is your LHS. This implies A union B whole dash. It is your left side which is 1 9 and it is also 1 9. It is equal to A dash intersection B dash. It's proved it is verified the De Morgan's law. Class, it is only verification. In the next video, we will prove the De Morgan's law. It is only the verification. You are taking some set A and B, then this De Morgan's is verified for the given set. But class, if we want to prove that this De Morgan's law, then procedure is different. In next video, we will discuss about how you prove De Morgan's law. But class, it is the verification of De Morgan's law. Class, remember one more De Morgan's law is here. It means A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. Similar way, such type you also attempt second kind of De Morgan's law. Class, until, thank you for watching video. Namaste.